Hey everybody, welcome back for another guitar session. Today we're going to dive into Jar of Hearts by Christina Perri. She performs this usually on the piano, so we're going to go ahead and take it from the piano. We're going to put it to the acoustic guitar here, so if you wanted to perform it live or just sing and play it, this is how we're going to do it on the acoustic guitar. For this we're going to need capo on the first fret. And there's a few sections that we're going to learn that make up this whole song. So we have a verse, we have the pre-chorus, the chorus, and a bridge section, and then a small little outro. So those are the sections that we're going to go through. We're going to break this down and try and make it really easy for you. Let's go ahead and take a look and see what we're going to need. Alright, so let's go ahead and take a look at the chords we're going to need to start this song off. Looking at verse 1, we need the capo on the first fret. We're going to start off, we need 4 chords. We need a B minor, we need a D, we need A, and E minor. So when she plays the song from the piano, it's just single strums, and there's a couple little accent notes that she'll use between the chord changes, so you kind of got to just follow the vocal to get a feel for that. So we'll go ahead and start the song off, give you a little context. So it's gonna go, no, I can't take one more step towards you. Here's where we're gonna do a little accent to the A, cause all that's waiting is regret. We're gonna do a little accent here, back to the B minor. Don't you know I'm not your ghost anymore? You lost the love you love the most. So if you notice, the end, instead of going to the E minor, we changed to G. So that's the second part of verse 1. So the first part is B minor, D, A, E minor. So the second part is B minor, D, A, but now we're going to go to the G. And this is where we're going to start to pick up the strumming, right? So we're going to get this G. So we're just going to step down to that G flat, right? So now that's going to take us into the pre-chorus. The pre-chorus is going to start off on E minor, to a G, to a B minor, to an A. So again, this is going to also be 2 parts. When it repeats, we're doing E minor, G, D, A, and that'll bring us into the chorus. So let me go ahead and give you a little context. I'm going to do the second part of the first verse, and we're going to go ahead and play that. I'll mumble the words to give you context into the pre-chorus, just so you can see how that goes by putting those 2 parts together. So, don't you know I'm not your ghost anymore? You lost the love I love the most. I've learned to live right into the chorus. So for the chorus also, it's 2 very similar parts. So we're starting off on B, we're going to move to an A, to a B minor, to a G, and it's pretty much going to repeat that. We're going to go D, A, B minor, and we're going to hit this G. We're going to play it half as long, and then we're going to turn it into a G minor. So you can play the G here to the G minor like this, if that's easier for you. So let's go ahead and take a look at that. So that's going to go. And who you think you are, running around leaving scars, collecting your jar of hearts, tearing love apart. Catch a call from the eyes inside your soul, so don't come back from me. so that brings us to this little D. There's a D that we're going to use to get back to the B minor to start verse 2. So it's going to finish out. So I don't know if you can see exactly what I did there, but we'll go ahead and try to walk through it slow. So now we can strum. Okay, I'll go ahead and strum that out to give you context between verse 2 and the pre-chorus again here. So I hear you're asking all around if I am anywhere to brings us right back into the pre-chorus. Now you want me one more time. You think you are? Okay, chorus 2. That really only brings us to one more part of the song. So that's going to take us into the bridge. So when we finish out chorus 2, right, we're going to go to that D, but we're not going to go walk to this B minor. We're just going to play the D, and then we're going to go to the bridge. So the bridge of this song is very cool. I play it just like this. Again, 2 parts, and pretty much it's all based off of this B minor shape. So we're going to, I'm not going to use this to start it, right? I'm just going to play the B, right? So it's going to go. It took so long just to feel alright. So I'm leaving these 2 fingers here. Took so long, just changing the root. So it took so long just to feel alright. And I'm not playing the A string, so my hand is muting that. So if you can see these chords, so the first part of the bridge is just this, okay? So 3 times we're playing it just like that. When we now get to the 4th time, we're going to play B minor. We're going to play B minor, F sharp, and then we're going to go back to this chord here from that first section, and then we're going to go to a G, and then we're going to go back to the F sharp. So let me try to give you that context here by mumbling the word. So, took so long just to feel alright. Remember how you put the light in my eye. I wish I had missed the first time that we kissed. 'Cause you broke all your promises, and now you're back. Don't get to give me back. You are running around. So that's how it goes back into the chorus. So let me go ahead and do that for you one more time. I don't want it to seem confusing, so I'm going to try to do it very slow here. The outro. Who do you think you are? All right, so the outro, very simple. G to D. G to D. G to D, and let it finish out on that D. So yeah, there you have it. I hope that you guys get the general gist of that song. It's a really great song, has a really cool feel to it. So those are the parts pretty much that make up the whole song. As always, you know, you can pause, rewind, go back to the parts. It is a video, so if you need more help or if you have questions, put it in the comments. I'd be happy to respond to you. So as always, please like and subscribe. Help me keep the channel going so I can keep giving you songs like this. So yeah, thanks for tuning in. Please like and subscribe and ring that bell to get notifications on future videos. Thanks for watching.